In this video, we will talk about the demand for data engineers. According to interviewquery.com, the data engineering interviews have increased by 40% in the last year alone. They released this data as part of the Data Science Interview Report 2021, where they interviewed 10,000 different data science professionals. Apart from this, you will also notice that other data related roles which work directly with data engineers like data scientists, data analysts, business analysts, etc., have also increased by 15 to 20%. And since all of them require clean and processed data to work with in the first place, the job of a data engineer becomes all the more important. Apart from this, according to the DICE Tech Job Report, data engineering is the fastest growing tech occupation, which is not a surprise, is it? And the salaries of data engineers are expected to increase due to the mere shortage of data engineers in the first place. To support this, let's have a look at this data, which is based on the LinkedIn data engineering job listings. We can clearly see there are only 2 to 3 candidates for every data engineer job posting, which clearly states that there is a shortage of such professions. So rest assured, skilled data engineers are in high demand and the employers are clearly valuing such professionals. So I hope this video has given you some idea about the demand for data engineers. I encourage you to go through the references provided below this video for all the reports and stats that we've used in this video. In the next module, we will discuss one case study so that you get an idea of what kind of work a data engineer does and what is the skill set required to become a data engineer. I'll see you there. Thank you.